Hi guys, today is Friday, December 7th, and I'm about to head to IKEA to pick up one of the Alex 9-drawer storage systems. I still haven't done the life update video, so I don't know if I should say what the drawer is for or not. Like, I don't know when this video will go up in relation to that one. Maybe after. So, and it's going to be for baby Bryce's clothes and diapers and anything of his. I'm also, so it's 9 drawers. I might take the first 2 for my makeup. We'll see. Because there's some things in my room now that I want to get rid of, but I need to take the things that are in them out of them in order to get rid of them. So we'll see that whole process. Before we head out, my boyfriend actually put some Chick-fil-A fries in the air fryer. Let's see how they came out. So this is what they're looking like. Oh, I didn't know I ate that many. This was full, and I was eating them on the drive home, so I guess that's the rest of them. They look good and crispy, but we'll see how they taste. Okay, so I'm gonna taste one of the fries.
My bad. Hold on, cuz.
Is it hot?
Yeah.
Like, really hot?
It's not too hot. Hell no.
So it is crispy. Okay, so are we leaving?
Yeah.
I'd put the keys on the other side.
I'm out, though. You should away.
Yeah, that's best.
Yeah, that's best.
Aaron was about to go back in the house to change his shoes. He's such a diva. Yeah, we're on our way to 7-Eleven.
CVS.
Cause CVS?
Yeah, CVS.
Oh.
So you thought.
We're on our way to CVS. I feel like you said 7-Eleven.
Nah, I feel like I know I said CVS.
So we're going to CVS to get a Crunch bar for Aaron, and then we're gonna head to IKEA. So we're back in the car from CVS. We got Aaron 2 Crunch bars. I got a Arizona fruit punch, and we got cotton candy. Yeah, so I'll just update you guys when we're at IKEA. It's a 45-minute drive. We don't need to be talking for that long. We don't need to be conversing for that long. So yeah, see you when we get there. We made it to IKEA.
This is nice. I'm sorry for the detour.
You're supposed to be recording me.
You're not even doing nothing. You drive.
Yeah, because we haven't made it to the destination. We're trying to find the house. Who I like. Oh, I thought these were real.
Yo, hungry self. What is skidda? What is skide?
Oh no.
Skidda. Shout out to Chief Keef.
You just keep the camera on me.
Do something.
I'm existing.
You're existing.
That's good enough. Welcome to my house. Here we have
You don't
the
even
bathroom.
talk like that.
It's a joke. So this is what I came here for. I'm sure you've all seen this before because it's very popular on YouTube for people to use it to store their makeup in. Sir. Come on. Now you have to roll the chair back. Aaron was scaring the people when he was rolling in the chair. The little girl was scared to walk past him.
He tried to put me in a box like this.
Came across the little kids section. Oh, they have high chairs over here.
If you put this rough.
No, but that's to protect his clothes.
I know, but this don't feel very
It's like
uncomfortable.
you put it over
It's
his
like a
clothes.
poncho.
Yeah.
This is child abuse.
No, it's not. But I feel like we don't need a high chair. We could just get one of those seats, like a booster seat, you know?
Yeah. Are you recording?
Yeah.
So is this like 3D?
Wow.
Cutscene.
Anyway.
Cutscene. You get a crib?
Oh, yeah. They have cribs here. Oh, we need one of these to change diapers. That's a change table.
Is this for the whole thing?
Oh, yeah, I guess so. Wait.
Where they say one piece of
Changing.
wood.
Yeah. Yeah, changing table. And I guess you could have like the bins where you could keep the diapers and your wipes. And like if we're using that wipe warmer, we can do that too.
Or you could just get this joint. Or we could just get this.
Oh yeah, and then lay him.
Yeah.
I mean, I think it's supposed to go like.
No, it goes in here.
And because they have just these kind too. That one's more expensive. That one's less. But yeah, we could just get that and just lay him on it.
Right.
But then clean it.
Or
do you put
you can put something down
sheets
first.
on it? Yeah.
This. Boom. Change them. Take this off. Watch this if anything gets on it.
Yeah.
Because
we can just store the wipes in like
and this is
a
easy
bin.
to store away. We just when you're done with it, put it behind something.
Yeah, that's true.
Instead of like having this whole thing in a crib and a
Yeah, that's a lot.
yeah, look. Example.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I don't like this material though.
I
mean, it's soft for him, but yeah.
I mean, we can always clog the jump in the washer.
How much were those?
17 changing pad. $17.99.
Oh.
What does this look like?
A thing you crawl through to get to the tent.
It looks like
Stop! What if somebody's child is in there? So he drops it. What is this? Oh, for stuffed animals?
You gotta come out of this one like I'm a clown.
Okay, yeah, I was like, are these for like stuffed animals? Cause who laying in there?
You already know what it is for. It's called a gung gung. A gung gung.
Oh, stuffed animals.
Coolest monkey in the zoo. Shout out H&M.
Why does it look like that?
This one looks so depressed, bro.
Oh.
He just want to see his people again. Like, look at his whole body language. He's slouched. Yeah, he depressed. He just want to go see his family, bro. He malnourished. Skinny eye, little boy. All the animals look like they finna cry, bro. Free him. Which one?
The cat right there.
They didn't even put any effort into the cat. They do not mess with cats here.
Are you gonna play puppets with Bryce?
That's how I'm gonna play with Bryce. I'm gonna be like, don't be sad. Your mom's edges are gonna come back soon.
Wow. Let's go, says the pencil. This is Aaron's favorite part of IKEA because of all of the kitchenware. They put lights behind all the windows to make it seem like it's daytime outside, but it's actually dark outside. Sir, you can't sit there.
I do not care.
I'm asking you as an employee to get up before I have to call management on you.
Honestly, like, I don't know. Bruh, I'm hungry.
Okay, let's go. Just waiting for Aaron to pull the car alarms. I'm just standing inside the doors waiting for Aaron to come because it's cold outside. But I feel like he needs me to stand outside so he knows where to come. But we'll see if he can find me without me standing outside. It's too cold for that. We just started eating, but I got avocado and cucumber sushi with spicy mayo on it. And Aaron got, what did you get? Rice and shrimp and chicken from Sarku, Japan. Their soda is so carbonated.
Orange soda don't even taste like orange soda. It tastes like orange spice.
Well, yep, we're just finishing up eating in the car, and then we're going to head back. All right, see you then.